So how to do this? Very easy. You're going to go on the control panel of your printer. And over here, you're going to notice we have a few buttons. You're going to press OK. And then you're going to go down with the down arrow until you select Wi-Fi setup. Then press OK. And then you're going to select the first option you see here by pressing OK. Connect to a computer or smartphone. Please confirm. Press OK again. Processing, please wait. You just have to wait. But in the meanwhile, what you can do is on your smartphone, you absolutely need to download the Canon app. You need to go on the Play Store or App Store and download the Canon Print app. And when you're done, press open. So this is the app. You may have other printers connected. Maybe it's the first time you're using it. What you need to do next is you go over here, you see add switch. You're going to press it. And then you may have a printer already connected. This is another printer of mine. This is not that one. Maybe your list will be empty. You're going to tap on register printer. If there's nothing on this list over here, you can press if printer cannot be found, this button here. And then press auto connection. And then it will ask if your printer has this button. We actually do. It's this one. So press yes. And then they will say press and hold the button for 3 seconds, then tap next. So 1, 2, 3, release it, press this, press next. Finally, it found it. You see over here, I get the message print wants to join Wi-Fi network Canon and then a name. And this is my printer over here, TS5320a series. So I'll press join. And then you're going to press yes. And then it will finally be added. So if printer setup is not complete, refer to blah, blah, blah. Just press close over here. Because on the screen here, you can see Easy Wireless Connect has been completed. So press OK. And you should get this confirmation as well. Then you can press this X on your phone over here on the top right corner. Just press X again. They'll just try to sell you stuff. And we're done. You should see your Canon printer right on the top there. You're going to press scan. And you can edit the settings, change settings. You can change if you want it in color, what type of document you want to scan. If it's a document or a picture, you can select here, size, again, many choices. And when you're ready, just press the blue scan button. And I can hear the scanner working on right now. Just have to wait. Here we go, the scan just appeared. And here we have some options. If you have, let's say, a document with multiple pages, let's say you have another page, well, go ahead and open, take your new page, page number 2, put it the same way and press scan. And you can do this as many times as you wish. If your document is 100 pages, well, it will take a long time, but every time you need to open up and then press scan, then do it again. If you're done, just press exit. And it will show you over here the results. The scanner is quite good, as you see. This is the page it just printed. Not bad. There's a small button over here, and on the lower left side you can press. And you can use it as a JPEG or PDF. Obviously, if it's a document, I prefer sharing it on PDF, so I'll select PDF. And here I'll have many different options. You can share it on social media, you can airdrop it if you have an iPhone, and under this, you'll be able to select many other options what to do with the document you just scanned. And when you're done saving it, just press X again, press OK, and that's all. So this is how you scanned using your Canon printer. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase new ink cartridges for your Canon printer and want to support my channel, just check the affiliate Amazon links in the description. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.